G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We just finished up first day of class, one of our in-person classes here at Scoop School, so we thought we'd just bang out a few videos and help the punters with their ice cream businesses. Great question from Gerald and Ria. Submitted a question in the comments section. Love it. Want to answer it. Before we do so, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Purdy Products. Paul Husmuller, the whole crew there, Marissa, they do a great job in providing products to help you silence your phone. They do a great job in coming up with products to basically help you keep your equipment clean and sanitized. Sterashine Green Label, my recommendation, as well as many other ice cream manufacturer recommendations for cleaning and sanitizing your machine. The link is down below. We thank you very much for your episode sponsorship. Now, Gerald and Ria asked a great question in relation to, I guess, catering or even creating a sub-brand. They say, "G'day Scoop School," which is we love our g'days from all around the country. I would like to know your opinion on something. Would you recommend that an existing premium ice cream brand that wants more sales during the pandemic to come up with a mass marketing ice cream sub-brand to cater to another market segment? What are your thoughts on this? Great question. I love the fact that there's ice cream retailers out there thinking, we have a facility, we're making product here, how can we kind of spread our tentacles out a little bit more? And creating a sub-brand is a great way of doing that. The beauty of having a batch freezer, and I'm assuming you're talking about a batch freezer, is it really is a production machine. You can set your batch freezer up and do all of your own recipes for your own premium ice cream brand, but then concentrate on perhaps building another sub-brand, as Gerald and Ria have asked. Absolutely it can be. The downside of this is, do you want it to battle with your own existing brand? And that's the only challenge that you'll have. Often ice cream shops, ice cream businesses, manufacturing stores get too eager on putting other pints, other avenues of ice cream that basically take away from their existing brand. So you could utilize your batch freezer to have a sub-brand if you're concentrating on premium ice cream. You may want to do a gelato brand. You also may want to do a lower scale brand and sell to some of these other companies like the Chuck E. Cheese's of the world, or some ice cream or concepts, food concepts that perhaps aren't driven so much by quality and the kind of highfalutedness, if you will, of product, but are more looking at getting families in and economical ice cream. It's a great way to do things. So you can look at the different segments, and again, the beauty of a batch freezer is it allows you to make multiple different types of ice cream and frozen desserts, different from perhaps the one that you're selling. Another example is water ice. You might have your own ABC brand of premium ice cream, but you might want to produce a number of different water ice products, popsicle products, novelty products, brand them under something else and start a whole different revenue stream of wholesale based on this new brand. I think it's a great idea. Look, I keep saying this, you pay rent 24 hours a day in your premises. So it's no longer enough just to basically say, well, I can retail from 11 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock in the evening. No, you can have someone come in, crank the AC/DC, be making ice cream from midnight all the way through to 8 o'clock in the morning to keep up with your other sub-brands and other business streams, if you will. Great question. I love the passion behind it. Absolutely do it. Just be sure that it doesn't rob you of your existing brand. I think you would be great. And again, if you have a question about the ice cream frozen dessert business, hey, we're here to help. Scoopschool.com. Leave a message underneath, a comment if you will. Again, we want to thank Paul and the crew out there at Purdy Products. Please click on the link down there. All of these sponsors do a great job of allowing us to put this daily content out for you. And well, that's about all we have. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.